Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and my good friend Yukov lent me this Bullring lock, patent number 28871, although to be fair it's got loads of numbers underneath it, so that could be an extremely long patent number, or it could mean something else, I'm not really sure. But yeah, it's a 4-lever lock, and I think it's made in England. You can see that it's been worn off, whatever it is. And you might be thinking, why is it called a Bullring lock? Well, actually, this is very similar to a Diskus lock. Let me show you. So it's got, you think, first of all, you've opened it, but you haven't. Then you open it more, and it clicks, and then that's it. You just get a click. You think, well, that wasn't very exciting. Then you realise you have to rotate the top. And you can see here, it's yeah, like a bull's ring for its nose. It's very similar to a discus lock, like I said. Very cool indeed, and it does go all the way around as well. I think, yeah, all the way around. Very cool. Never seen a lock like it. Really like this one, and therefore it definitely needs a good pick. And there, it's close. It's not the smoothest lock in the world to operate, but I kind of really like it. Yeah, just very odd and very unique. Isn't it great? Right, let's throw this in a vise. We'll get some tools out and we'll pick it. Before we start, let's just go through the tools I'm going to use. So this is a tension tool made from an Era Big 6 key. It's just a key that's filed down, and it matches this key particularly well in terms of its height for the bolt step on the key. So that's what we're going to use. And then we're going to use this lever wire, and I literally can't remember what I made it from, but I did make this. I've got no idea. I wish I could remember, but it should suffice. I've got a nice little curve on the end, and yeah, it should do as well. So when you put the tension tool in, you turn it around past 180 all the way to what, 270 degrees, and then it's got a weird bounce to it, and you see the shackle moving. Normally you'd think that that would mean that you have basically tension against a lever inside this lock, but this lock, it's not the case at all. Now for the tool, so I'm just going to slide that in like this. This is the lever wire, just a homemade one, all the way around like that, and then we're ready to pick. So I'm just going to tension with my fingertips, and you can tell you're tensioning properly because you literally stop turning it and just gently. So that's lever 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we go, that was lever 3, and look, we have an open. Very cool. I think I can let go. Actually, yeah, it's a bit tight, and I'll probably re-lock now, but it's all open. Such a cool lock, I have to say. And then I think we can remove the tool and turn it back at some point. There we go, and we've got it all out. So that was the Bullring lock. Very cool. Really love it. I love its unique action. Well, I say unique, like I said, it's like a discus lock, but it's such a cool lock, I have to say, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, leave a like, comment below, I read them all, and I reply to as many as I can. And if you like this content and want to see more content like it, then of course please do subscribe, it really helps me out. And I'll see you all next time.